When you start ballistics for the very first time, the default rifle profile is loaded in the system. This is a reference profile that we're going to copy and use as the base for our initial profile. It is based on an imaginary rifle loaded with a generic .308 caliber bullet. To create a new profile, we go to Settings, then Profiles, and then we tap the New button, which then asks us for a profile name. I'm going to type in here my ticker 243. Click OK, and that's it. The new profile is created based on the currently loaded one. There it is there in the list of profiles. We just select the checkbox next to it and then click Use. And now my ticker 243 is loaded. Note that where it used to say default rifle above the reticle in the main page, it now says my ticker 243.